Hi everyone, Emmy here. Welcome back to my channel, Emmy's Family Adventures. So today we are going to unbox a package that we received from Hawaii. It's from one of our cousins, actually my husband's cousins in Hawaii. So we're gonna open it and show you what's inside. I can't wait. He's opening it by himself. Alright, so let's open it. Uh-oh. You get it out? Take off the tape. Oh, there's more tape.
No.
Wait a minute. Oh, that's kind of hard to take off. I think we need some scissors for it. Here you go. I got it. There you go. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so this is, it looks like it's a scarf or with different designs on it.
And here's a calendar.
And we have some calendars.
And we have...
What else do we have?
Macadamia nut
Macadamia nut chocolate.
And we have some more masks.
Oh yeah, my husband's cousin from Hawaii, she knows how to sew. She's a seamstress. So she made us this. Oh, this is actually pretty nice. Look at this mask.
And the weight is wait.
And it has a filter pocket too. Wait. Okay, so this is, it says, a furikake party mix. Woohoo!
And here's more
Can't
masks.
wait. And more masks.
And more macadamia.
And more macadamia chocolates.
And
What else?
more macadamia chocolate.
And more macadamia chocolates.
And more masks.
Oh, another Ziploc full of masks.
And more masks.
What is this? Oh, this one is also macadamia nuts, but it says here it's toffee coated macadamia nuts with milk chocolate.
And here's another package.
And we got two! Woohoo!
And we got
And we got some more masks.
and more macadamia chocolate.
And more macadamia chocolates. That's a lot of sweets.
And
What else?
more macadamia chocolate.
Oh, more macadamia chocolate.
And more macadamia chocolate.
Oh my goodness. There you go. Wow. So that's a lot of goodies from Hawaii. This is my favorite. I like this one.
Well,
And we visited them last year.
And I know which is my favorite.
Which one is your favorite? Is it this one?
No.
No.
Because it's super hard.
It's super hard.
And my best.
These are actually pretty good masks.
And my best is...
That one is your favorite?
Yeah, because it has some.
Yeah, this one is my favorite too. It's milk chocolate covered
And I like
macadamias.
this one too.
Yeah, those are pretty good too. And we got some new masks. Here's another design, and it has a filter pocket. Pretty cool.
Well, look.
Wow!
It's a lot.
And then we got the calendars.
And I'm going to crush these.
No, don't crush them. And this one, let me open one and see what it looks like.
Cannonball! Cannonball!
Oh yeah, it is a scarf. Let me open this. I think I like this
Cannonball!
scarf. Oh, stop! Where's the
Where's what?
thingamajig? Wait a minute. Don't open that yet.
What?
I want to throw this one. Too thin. This is not going to keep you warm.
Yes, it is.
And then let's open the other one. See what the design is for this. He's trying to open the snack already. Oh, I like this one too. It says aloha. Look at that. It's beautiful. And then there's another one here. I think this one, oh, this is a different fabric. It's not silk. It's not silky, but it's still soft and smooth. It's still soft. Oh, I think it's the other way around. There you go. And then the other one, here, let's open it up. Oh, it's the same one, I think. Yeah, it's the same. All right, that's a lot of goodies. So we're gonna share these chocolates. We can't be eating all of these chocolates, okay? Or we can make it last throughout 2021, the whole year, next year. Wow, that's a lot of goodies. So we want to say thank you to Manang Sean from Hawaii for giving us all these treats and all these goodies, and for making us these masks. Sit down, sit down. Camden, no. Sit down. All right, so hopefully we get to see them again soon once we are able to travel, because we really miss them and we miss going back and visiting them in Hawaii. All right, guys, so that's it for our video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell so you will be the first to know if we have a new video out. And Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye.